Good evening, everyone, and happy Monday. My name is Dynamite_41. Nothing I say is financial advice, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I just want to let y'all know that I believe that GameStop is going to hit $30+ by the end of this week. If not before the weekends, maybe before Thanksgiving. That would be something we'd be thankful for. I mean, we have been holding this for almost 4 years now, so I'm very thankful for that. Some of us 4+ years. So anyways, it's the holidays, and I feel good about the price action later this week. In the next coming months, I do believe that we're gonna slowly burn all these shorts and go to the upside, up and to the right, as we love to refer to GameStop as. But let's go ahead and check it out really quick. Let me switch it over to the screen. At the moment, overnight trading hours for GameStop is $29.39 at this moment. Of course, today we closed off at $29.67. Of course, you could see us right here in the morning. We were on my $27.38 support level to start off the day, basically, or to end off the week for last week. And then we just gapped up. We got above my $28.06 resistance level, tested it, we bounced back down in the morning and tested it again, and we slowly started to rise to the occasion. And then we just consolidated for the rest of the day and topped off at $29.77, but closed at $29.67. Do I still think that there is potential to the upside? I do believe so. We're looking at the 3-minute chart right now. OBV is looking fabulous on balance volume. The volume is looking nice for the end of the day today, so it's really picking up, and I'm just really content with everything that's happening, especially as of lately with the price action. Let's check out Stonko Tracker real quick before we check out the macro trend for GameStop going to the upside, going to $30+, and what I think it's going to be basically by the end of the year. So, and the money calls for this week that are expiring this week, there are 36,074 calls in the money versus 714 puts in the money. So we do have a lot of basically calls that are just vamping up the price action, and the volume is kicking in, and there's just so many calls, that are in the money versus puts in the money, especially when you look at it in the future going into the new year. Of course, it's a little slow on the first of the month, basically on the 3rd of January, but then it starts to pick up again later in the year, later in the month. Who knows what's going to happen in January? Maybe a repeat of what happened in 2021. Who knows? I'm all in for it. You know me, diamond hands, that's what I do, that's what I beat, and I feel like everyone else that's watching this can relate to that as well. So let's zoom out really quick on the chart, and as you can see, GameStop is looking fabulous. I had this wedge right here drawn out since the run-up in May and June of this year. And as we consolidated, we bounced off of my $19, or should I say, $19 support lines, very strong support level. So we're way past that point because we did break out of that wedge, as you could see right here. And we are within this channel. Of course, we still want to make sure we can test above and break above the $30 level. And I drew this trend line, this dotted trend line on the stream, I believe earlier today, or no, I drew it on Friday last week. Basically what I think is going to happen leading into the year, I think we're going to be at $40 at least by December. Now, of course, this is not something that you should trade options on. I'm not telling anyone to trade options, none of that. You know me, I've been buying for 4 years, so I'm just going to keep on buying and accumulating even when the price action is running up. You know, I'm in a good position, we're on a good position, and we just love to, hodl for the time being. If you DRS, that's your thing. I have a few shares DRS, but I'm not big on that. But considering the fact that we have the earnings report for Q3 of 2024 on the 3rd of December or 4th of December, one of those 2 days, I think if we perform well, I think that the price action is going to go down like it always does on a positive earnings report for GameStop. And then we start to slowly burn our way up to the sky. And the fact that we're up, what is it, 40% for the past month, 41.50% this past month off of no news is really, really exciting to me. Ryan Cohen does not need to give out the game plan to mainstream media for them to twist it, for GME meltdowners to talk it down on their little echo chamber that they have. And I don't know how that is. I really don't check it out myself. I usually try to stay away from that kind of stuff. But shout out to them for doing their thing. You know, GME meltdowners, keep on talking, because we're going to keep on eating over here and buying up more shares as much as we can. But that's just what I'm doing, of course. No one should follow what I do. That's just my trading strategy. That's just how I like to basically invest. I'm a very aggressive investor, but when it's for a company that I do believe that has solid fundamentals and is basically not only a gaming company, a PSA grading company, but PSA card grading company, and we're also a holding company, and we're just beginning. The endless streams of revenue that GameStop is yet to come across is still in the air. So I'm still going to be bullish, and I'm still going to be here. Even if we drop to 25 or 20 or 19 or $15 tomorrow, I'm still going to buy it up. I'm going to buy a lot of it up, actually, if that's the case. But I highly doubt that it's going to get to those levels ever, or at least anytime soon. But like I said, $30+ by the end of this week. That's just my opinion. Who knows? We'll see what's up. Anyways, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow on live. Hope y'all have a good night. Get some rest. Don't let the price action keep you up. You're going to live another day. Just keep on taking care of your health, and everything's going to be all right. Peace out, everyone, and have a good night.